What's up, guys? I said it in the previous episode, but I'll be unboxing something very special. Here it is. Now, most of you will be able to guess what that is. This is the keyboard. So if I grab this baggie, Yep, it's the keyboard. I'll just stab myself with a knife, as you do. So, here it is, the Cheetah Advanced Gaming Keyboard. It has a Windows button lock feature, which I really like. So if I actually open this, it's an unboxing. So, so you open this box. So, right out of the box, it looks amazing. It's got a nice rest for your arm. There's a book. So what we're going to do, in classic George style, we're going to look at these booklets first. So that's got a shiny finish on it, which looks really nice. We can take a look at that in a second. Here we have some booklets. So this shows you how the FN key works, the function key. It's in multiple languages. I believe that's the only page that's actually in English. Shows system requirements. You need a USB port, obviously, and Windows. What's in here? I think this might just be... Yeah, it's the same booklet twice. That's what it is. Same booklet twice, so you don't lose it. But now let's look at the most important part, the keyboard itself. So, I'm going to enjoy gaming with this. It's a bit quieter, which is important. But look at the shininess of the surface of this keyboard. You can see the light I'm using, but that is the there's some volume buttons here. There's a button to lock the Windows key, which I think might be this one, since it's got like the W and the padlock. Actually, you can't see that very well, can you? Oh, it's this button here. I've already got fingerprints all over it, so you can't accidentally Windows out of any games in recording. I like the shiny finish to it, that looks really nice. And there's not very much to say about this keyboard. It seems very high quality for the money I spent on it. I spent approximately, I think it was £9. It was a very cheap keyboard. Didn't need anything too posh. I like this logo there. I like the rest it has as well. If I'm to show you the keyboard I'm currently using, I can't flip it because it's plugged in. Actually, I can. So if we just get this keyboard out of the way, you can see this is very old-fashioned, because it is pretty old keyboard. It's not at all shiny. It's got some dents. It's actually volume, and then there's a mute button. Pause next, mute, open music. There's a mail button, a my computer button, and a calculator button, and then all the internet stuff is along there. So this is in no way designed for gaming. This is actually a medium keyboard. So it's designed to do something completely different. You can see it's very loud compared to... That is much quieter. So I'm going to enjoy gaming on that keyboard. That is one of the very few things I'm actually going to use before I set up the computer. So that will be used, that keyboard will be used before I set up the new computer. Because it's just, I can. It's one of those things I can use. So when I have the keyboard, it's not like... Hey guys, I've just plugged in this new keyboard. Look at its awesomeness. And just listen to how much quieter it is. Right, this is a USB keyboard as well. If I get my old keyboard back again here, as you can see, this isn't USB, this is that. So, this from slightly further away than the keyboard, the other one. this is a lot louder. So this keyboard is going to make my gaming a lot quieter, and it just means that everything I do will be a lot calmer, and no one have to go through the annoyingness of having to listen to my keyboard when I play games. Well, that's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow when hopefully more stuff arrives. Bye, guys.